Good evening. Happy day. Oh, happy day. So I want to come on here to let you guys know that it is 2025 and I'm trying to figure out why you haven't picked your phone up yet. Why haven't you picked your phone up yet and started recording some type of content? When I say some type of content, I know you guys are knowledgeable about something that you can bring some type of value to YouTube and create this content and get it out there, okay? No more procrastinating. No more, oh, well, I'm not comfortable on camera. We're not doing that, okay? You need an accountability coach? Here I am. Because I was literally on YouTube last night and I was looking through a couple of creators' videos, and I am a comment searcher. Like, I search through comments. I was going through the comments and there was so many people like, I'm about to give up. I'm about to stop doing YouTube. Like, my videos aren't getting any views. Who cares, you guys? You have to understand that, number one, just put the video out there. The internet is not going anywhere. The internet has been out for so long. Somebody's gonna find your video. It might take a while. Like, don't get me wrong, I became monetized within less than a year, but guess what? It doesn't matter. The more you put out there, the more people will see it. Who knows when they're gonna see it, but somebody's gonna see the video, I promise you. What I also want to mention is that if you are a brand new content creator, comment below, y'all. Comment below, because when I say, I will go to everybody's page and I will subscribe to everybody who comments below and let me know that they're a new YouTuber. But guess what? Before I subscribe, I want to see one video on your page. One video. Okay? You hear me? Say yes. Say yes, Tani. I hear you. One video. I want to see one video on your page. Okay? Now, what another person said to me in the comments was, can you please make a video on how to even start a YouTube? I don't know how to do that. Now, if you're at that stage to where you're like, okay, I want to do YouTube. I'm just a Google user, a Gmail user, and I log in and I watch YouTube, but I don't know how to actually start a YouTube. I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube, okay? I'm going to put that here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start a YouTube, and it's just going to be very basic. If you need like more information on like how to start a YouTube, SEO, search engine optimizations, or things like that, you're going to have to like message me on Instagram privately so I can kind of help you guys with those kind of things. But I am going to make future videos on a few things that you need to have turned on YouTube. How to customize certain parts of your channel so that you don't have to keep going back and updating these things. So yeah, but you guys, start the YouTube, okay? The information will always be there. It's like Google. When you search something on Google, Google has how many pages of information? A lot. 1,000, 1,000,000, who knows? And at the end of the day, if the information is there, somebody's gonna see the information. You just gotta do it. I mean, I don't know what's holding you guys back. Please comment below and let me know what's holding you back. Like, what's stopping you from just doing it right now? Like, do you not have storage in your phone? Like, I done heard it all, but I want to hear it on my page. I've seen it on other people's pages in the comments, but I want to hear on my page why you guys haven't picked up your phone, guys. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of phone you have, as long as you have a camera on your phone, which a lot of phones have a camera. You do have to have storage, don't get me wrong. Not iCloud storage, you just need to have phone storage. You can worry about iCloud later, but as of now, all you need is your phone. The biggest tip I could give you when you're recording on your phone, wipe y'all's camera off, okay? Y'all's camera be a little blurry. That's all you have to do. I'm recording on a phone, okay? Now, I am parked in very good lighting outside. I have my sunroof open. It's certain things you have to consider. But guess what? You don't need a ring light. Go outside. Go on a walk. Do something like that. Sit in the car. You don't need a ring light. You don't need a $900 camera. I purchased a $900 camera. And guess where it is? At my house in a camera bag. It's a Sony camera, and I used it one time in my Tulum video, and I've never touched it again. Why? Because guess what? I have to have 50 batteries that I have to charge because the battery keeps dying and I have to switch it out Then it's like, okay, so yeah, cameras are for some people, but when I say I don't have time to have all these batteries, switch the batteries out, make sure the batteries are charged, storage on the camera, you need to switch out SD cards. Then it's like, okay, I need to get the footage from the camera to the phone so that I can upload it or edit it on wherever I need to edit it, and then upload it on YouTube. Y'all, the best thing that I recommend doing, which is what I did, if you have a cell phone provider or if you have $900 to buy on a camera, invest that $900 and just buy another phone. Okay? That is probably the best investment that I have ever made, was to purchase another iPhone. So I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and then I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, because I shoot content on both devices. Number one, the best thing is the fact that I have both of my I have my Apple ID in both of the phones. I have a MacBook. Every time I make a video on one phone, it automatically syncs to the other phone, and I can automatically sync it to my MacBook, so that wherever I edit, if I edit on this phone, if I edit on that phone, if I edit on my MacBook, the footage is all there. Number two, okay? I can charge up the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is the one I usually record on. And when I say the battery lasts all day, I have no problem with the battery at all. And if the battery does start to die, guess what? I can have a little portable power and plug my phone up. I can plug my phone up in a car. I know other people with the same device. My mom has a Samsung and it uses USB-C. There's so many more pluses to using a device. And the other thing is that when you go certain places, they're like, oh, you can't have professional cameras. Okay, can I have my phone? Of course. Okay, I'm going to vlog on my phone. Now, I do carry around sometimes like a bright, like newer light, so that it's really bright. And I'll put the newer light right here. Get that from my Amazon storefront. That newer light is super bright, so if you're somewhere very dark, you can kind of turn that light on and vlog, and it still looks amazing. So, service provider, if you don't want to add another line to your account or something like that to get the phone, my recommendation is just go through Apple. Purchase the device straight out from Apple and get it from them. If you have an Apple credit card, you can put it in installment, however you want to do it. But get a second phone. Do not go out and buy a camera and don't know how to use it and don't know how to work the settings. Just get another phone, y'all. I promise you, it's going to pay off. Okay, let's get right to it. So all you're going to do is log into YouTube from your device. Hit on the U. It will open up this page here. You're going to set your picture, your name, and hit create channel. That is it. I don't want to hear any excuses. Let's go. So, you guys just saw how to start your YouTube, how to actually create a YouTube from your regular I Watch YouTube account. So comment below. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like I said in my previous video, I'm very knowledgeable on a lot of things, so I'm trying to put together, a content calendar on when I can start talking to you guys about this different stuff. But all I'm going to say now before we wrap up this video is, next time I log in YouTube and I look at my dashboard, I better have some comments below letting me know that you have started your YouTube today, and that you're going to upload a video by January the 13th, okay? January the 13th, okay? So, you good? January 13th? Say yes. Okay, so you're going to upload a video by January the 13th. I just showed you how to create the YouTube. And yeah, I'm very excited and looking forward to subscribing to your channel and watching your video. And now, before we wrap up this video, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Oh my gosh. See? 2 phones. Hello.
A few moments later.
And now, before we wrap up this video, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please, I appreciate it so much. I'm very consistent with my content, and if there's anything you guys want to see, please let me know. Anything you want me to talk about, educate you guys on, whatever it is, let me know, and I will ensure I deliver. Okay? Okay.
Baby, I can name really outside. Tell me business, lit. Tell me get the bag. Tell me business, lit. Tell me get the bag. And you press that subscribe button if you bad. Go hit that subscribe button if you bad.